Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Legit Adidas. Today I'm just showing you like my and my friend's Airsoft website, so you guys can join it if you live in Colorado Springs. And the website is SoGx3. I'll get a better view. The web address is right there. I don't know if you could see all of it. It is https little two dots slights.google.com/site/SoGx3 dot there's no dot, it's just com. So if you live in Colorado and you want to join an Airsoft clan, if you're about 14 or 15, just email it to, well, I'll put it in the description, but yeah, just tell us. You could go to the site, tell us what gun you have, where you want to meet up at, the places. So, yeah.